So if you're in your first month of getting 360 waves, there's a high chance that you're doing one of these things without even realizing it. I'm not talking about the obvious stuff either. These are mistakes that I see beginners make all the time. If you want your waves to come in cleaner and faster, pay attention to this. This video is for beginners and anyone restarting their waves because these mistakes happen early before anyone even realizes what they're doing wrong. Number one, the biggest mistake that beginners make is thinking that more product equals better waves. Using pomade, oil, butter, all of it every single day, it's not helping you. It's actually slowing you down. Too much product causes buildup, dull waves, and makes your hair look flat instead of trained. Early on, brushing matters more than the product. The product is the support, not the foundation. Keep products light, focus on brushing and consistency first. Number two, brushing without a plan. A lot of beginners are brushing, but y'all are brushing randomly. Brush left today, brush right tomorrow, different angles every session, and then wonder why your waves are not connecting. If your angles are inconsistent, your pattern is going to be inconsistent. Pick your angles and stick to them. Same angles every session, every day. Another mistake that beginners make is washing too often or washing without a plan. Beginners see flakes and automatically think that means dandruff, and so they start overwashing, when in reality, that's just gonna make your progress slower and you're most likely just dealing with dry scalp. Too much washing early on strips your hair, it hurts the shine, and it makes your progress slower. You need to be washing your waves once or 2 times a week. That is it. Number four, wolfing too long, too soon. Wolfing is important, but wolfing too long before your waves are trained is a mistake. Then people think wolfing doesn't work when really they were just doing it at the wrong time. You want to go on nice short wolves early on. The long wolves come later. For beginners, 4 to 6 weeks. Maintain that in the early stages, then you'll be ready for the later stages. This one doesn't get talked about enough. Comparing your waves to someone else's timeline will mess your head up. Different hair types, different routines, different starting points. That comparison leads to overdoing everything. More brushing, more products, more washing, and that's just gonna lead to burnout. And really, that's why people quit waves. Stick to consistency, not speed. Waves come from habit and not trying to rush it. If you're early on in your wave journey, the best thing you can do is slow down and do the basics correctly. Most people don't fail at waves because they can't get them. They fail because they overcomplicate everything. If this video helped you, stick around. I post real wave tips every week. Trust the process. Your waves is going to come.